Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make a scratch and sniff sticker. First, you'll need some circles cut out of sticker paper. I got my circles cut out using a cry cut in the sticker setting. You will also need some Q-tips or cotton pads, essential oils or scented oils, and something to draw with. You can use colored pencils or pens. First, pick out the scents you would like to be using. I want to use butterscotch, cotton candy, and hot chocolate and marshmallow. Now draw your designs. I'm going to start off with my cotton candy design. Once you have finished drawing all your backgrounds, take a Q-tip and you have finished making the stickers. You can use them for anything you want.